Hi. I just run into something, and I'm looking for some opinions, and it just seems to me that my lathe is a candidate for bearings. Anyways, when I push on it, you can see the dial moves. When I pull on it, it comes back. As far as I can tell, everything's tight. I mean, the bolts that hold the chuck on are tight. I made sure it's tight on the spindle, and I even tightened up the nut on the other end of the spindle that holds the pulley on. Um, it just bothers me. Anyways, I'm looking for some opinions. Thank you.